Welcome back sa ating fourth match of this Sunday morning dito sa ating venue sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan, sa ating Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. So sa ating mga taga-kachuchunin lang, this is our fourth match and this is being played between Mapandan and Mangaldan. We're having a good rally, long rally alert sa ating match. And ang score ay all-2. Good deflection ng bola ni Soriano. Mapandan sends it. Ibinigay sa likod pero binikinuha ng open and the libero was not there. Score is for Mangaldan, 3-2. Kanina, we witnessed Orbistondo. Sila ang nanalo kanina sa kanilang laro. And that's player number 8 who serves the ball for Team Mangaldan. And that one is long for Quinto. It's deadlock at 3. 3-all ang ating score. Player 18 of Mapandan is on the service zone, looking to get an advantage. Almost. Yes, she did. It's a free ball para kay player number 11, Barcelona. Lamang na ng isa ang Team Mapandan na 4-3. The libero gets it to the middle. And that one is in. Good placement from the middle of Team Mangaldan. Player 16, Espinoza, will serve for Team Mangaldan. 4-all is our tally. To the middle as well. Who breaks that one-man block ng Mangaldan? We now have 5-4. Player 5 of Team Mapandan serves the ball. Malayo yung set na yon para sa ating open. Kaya it's a chance ball now for Mapandan, who hammers the ball. Talking about player number 7. That's Nepasena. The captain is serving. Number 5 of Team Mapandan. Miscommunication on the side of Mangaldan. Kaya it's a chance ball again for Team Mapandan, who gets another point. That's another point on the side of Mapandan, courtesy of player number 7. (7-4) is the score. A chance ball for Team Mangaldan. The setter gives it to the middle, and she sliced it. Talking about player number 10, Ocampo. To the middle again. Who mishit the ball, pero nakascore pa rin. Okay, so they are just telling the bench of Team Mapandan na yung ibang coaches, dahil medyo marami na sila sa kanilang bench. So we are back in action here. Player number 13 still serving for Team Mapandan, who just gets an ace. Lamang ng 4 ang Team Mapandan, 9 is serving 5. Another good serve The setter gives it to this and scores. That's player number 5 from Team Mangaldan, who just stopped the momentum of Team Mapandan. She will now serve. Player number 5 for Team Mangaldan. That's overset for Team Mapandan. A chance ball now for Team Mangaldan. The libero gets that first ball to the open. Who drops the ball? Masyadong mababa ata yung set for that. Pipe attack from Team Mapandan. And also a pipe from Team Mangaldan, who is able to get a score that finds the line. That's another ace for Team Mangaldan. So that's a 2-point-in-a-row score for them. The score is 8-9. Iisa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Mapandan. Still on service zone is player number 5, who is serving so good. Another ace for her. 9-all is our tally. Napatawag ng timeout ang Team Mapandan dahil nahabol yung 4 na kalamangan nila. Okay, so we're now on our deadlock at 9. We would like to say hi and good afternoon and welcome to our Governor's Cup 2026 for our valuable Inter-Town Tournament. So of course, to our Mayor from Mapandan, good afternoon, Mayor Vega, and thank you for always supporting our Governor's Cup 2026. Back in action here, player number 5 still serves the ball to the middle for the Mapandan, but she is dug by player number 11, the captain. Now La Guerta tries to go, but that is wide for her, who quickly apologizes on the bench of Mangaldan, saying, sorry sa akin, coach. Player 11 will serve for Mapandan. The libero takes the first ball. Setter goes to the middle, run and gone with a slice, but it was wide for Ocampo. Mapandan takes the lead, 2 points, 11-9. And player 11 is now serving. Parino drops the ball, but she is called for a violation. It's a replay. So our up referee apologizes. First referee Mariano says it's a replay. So walang score on the side of Mapandan. 11 still serving. The setter goes to the middle pero napalapit masyado sa net. So that is penetration under the net on the side of Mangaldan. We will now have a substitution for our setter. Parino will now sit in on the bench, and player number 8 will now play as a setter for Mangaldan. Player 11 is now ready to serve. 18, the setter, who goes to the open and had a free ball. Now, inisa-isa. And now that is another good dig on the side of Mangaldan. What about this time? Good block, pero hindi kinaya. No one covers. (10-12) is our official tally. Player 10 is looking to have a service ace. Let's see if she could be able to get one. Mapandan gets it. No one takes the second ball. Malayo yung setter ng Mangaldan on that sequence. Kaya hindi niya na-set. And that makes the score 13-10. It's a chance ball. La Guerta was not able to send the ball on the other side successfully. Napatawag ng timeout ang coaching staff ng Team Mangaldan, who is now down by 4. We are back in action here for our fourth match on our first set between Mapandan and Mangaldan. Tignan natin if Mangaldan would be able to make an adjustment dahil napapalayo na ang kanilang team when it comes to score. 14-10. 4 points behind. Player 7 is on the service zone for Team Mapandan. A good down the line hit on the side of Mangaldan, courtesy of Olesco. Player number 15, 11-14 is our official tally. Olesco serves the ball after scoring a 1 point for her team. Player 5 of Mapandan tries to have an underscore pero hindi dahil na depensahan siya. The captain of Mangaldan scores quinto. Player 11. Our official score is 12-14. 2 point behind ang Mangaldan. It was a good cut shot, pero nadepensahan ng libero. She was so ready on that attack of player number 5. The number 18 drops the ball. Another drop for Quinto of Mangaldan, and she scores. Player 15 still serving for Team Mangaldan, who is 1 point deficit. And that is an ace for her. 14 all is our score. Mangaldan 15 sends the ball again, and the player 7 receives that ball. Player 5 good net defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng Team Mangaldan. They are now enjoying the 1 point lead for this first set on their match against Mapandan. Chance ball for Mangaldan, and that slips on the hands of player number 18. Now the score is 16-14, 2 point ahead ang Mangaldan. They're having a mini run this time. Player number 5 tries another one, pero again, there was someone who is ready to get that ball from her. A drop ball this time works for the captain, player number 5, Soriano. Talking about the team from municipality of Mapandan. On the service zone is player number 3 of Mapandan. Olesco receives the ball. The libero places a setter. Good dig on the side of Mapandan. Pasena, player number 7. Another one for the libero, who is good at that digging part. Now there will be a substitution on the side of Mapandan. Player 14 is joining the action, and player 4 is going to the bench for the time being. Magpapahinga muna si player number 4, Kalimlim. Player 18, Carlos, is on the service zone. To the open, who breaks the two-man block. There will be a score awarded to Team Mapandan, who is now down 1 point. 16 serving 17. Player 18 is on the service zone for Team Mapandan. Who gets an ace? No one was on that zone 5 to take that ball from player number 18 from the service zone. So it's now tied up at 17. Olesko gets the first ball. The libero. Down the line hit was not good. Now, and the player of Mangaldan gives a chance ball for Team Mapandan. 14 will try. Who is blocked? Who will take the first ball? Okay, and Nip Espinosa. The setter decides to send that one to play. Quinto tries. Okay, that's two touches ang naitawag kay Espinosa. 1 point lead for Mapandan, 18-17. Player 18 serving. Chance ball for Team Mapandan. The setter gives to the open. That one is wide for the captain, Soriano. There will be a substitution on the side of Mangaldan. Espinosa 16 is out, and player 3 will serve for her. We have a service specialist now joining the action. A lefty. To the middle, Soriano rolls the ball. Ocampo. A chance ball now for Team Mangaldan. Olesko gets the first ball. The setter gives it to the middle. Ocampo, who is Doug. Libero places a setter on the side of Mapandan. Long rally alert. Chance ball for Mangaldan. Another one. Long rally alert again. Enjoy po ng mga tao ito. And a good defense again. Magandang pinapakita ng both teams, Mangaldan and Mapandan. Magandang floor defense nila. But that one ends that long rally. A point is awarded to Team Mapandan after that very long rally. The captain, Soriano, is on the service zone for Team Mapandan. The score now is 19-18. And the captain gets an ace. Soriano. Player number 5, 2018 is our official count. That one sent straight to the net. 1 point behind ang Mangaldan, who has the chance to tie it up. Nasa kanila ang service. The captain serves the ball. Player number 11. Lala sends that ball straight to the net. So that is a deadlock now. 20-20 is our tally. The captain selling the service zone for Team Mangaldan. Player 7 The setter of Mangaldan gives it to the open Olesko, who scores the point. 21-20 is our official score. 1 point ahead ang Team Mangaldan. It's a pipe attack error for Team Mapandan, who will call another time. Well, the score is at 22-20. 2 points advantage is on the side of Team Mangaldan. Titignan natin kung ano ang magiging play na gagawin on the side of Mapandan to get the momentum. We are back in action here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. We are watching a match between Mapandan and Mangaldan. 22-20 is our tally. The captain serves the ball. Player 11. To the middle. Oops, it's open. Who hits the ball? Ocampo sends that ball. 1-2 play. Another error on the side of. That's an attack error for Team Mapandan. Mangaldan needs 2 points to close this first set. One point is awarded to Team Mapandan. Now the score is 21-23. Two points ang kalamangan ng Team Mangaldan. A substitution is now on the side of Mapandan. Okay, substitution is denied on the side of Mapandan. It's an improper substitution, so I guess they will be called for that. And a yellow card is awarded to Team Mapandan. 21-23 is our official tally. Player 13 will serve for Team Mapandan. The libero takes that on the side of Mangaldan as La Guerta is trying to score. Ocampo tries it. A chance ball now for Team Mapandan. Player 11, the captain, gets the first ball. And Olesko tries that, but the middle blocker of Mapandan touches the net. The score is now 22-23. Player 14 is on the service zone for Mapandan. Olesko again will try, but she is denied. All 23 is our official score. A time is called on the side of Mangaldan. Nawala yung 2 puntos na kalamangan nila. So tignan natin who will finish strong on this first set. This is match between Mapandan and Mangaldan. Our 4th match under the women's category for our Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. We are back in action dito sa ating venue sa sports complex ng Calasiao, Pangasinan. Close na close po ang ating laro sa ating 4th match. 23 all is our tally. Player 14 is on the service zone. Caught shot. Player 70, Pasena, gives a chance ball. And Ocampo breaks the one-man block on the side of Mapandan. Kaya naman, set point is on the side of Mangaldan. Player number 5 will serve for Mangaldan. Player 7 tries, but yes, she scores. Nandito na tayo sa 24 all. The set is extended as player 11 of Mapandan is on the service zone. Who sends that ball straight to the net? Set point is back on the side of Mangaldan, and there will be a substitution. Player 3 will now go back sub bench as 16 enters again the action. Player 16 Espinoza. 25-24 is our tally. Ocampo is on the service zone. Player 10 of Mangaldan. Nepasena is dug. A chance ball for Mapandan. Player 7 will try to score, and she did. All 25. Another extended set for this first set. 25-25 is our official tally. Now player 7 is now on the service zone for Team Mapandan. A chance ball for Team Mapandan. Kanina bibigay to the middle. Who? Soriano was unable to send that over. Set point is back on the side of Mangaldan as Olesco 15 is on the service zone. That is long for Olesco. Another extended set. Grabe, talagang palitan ng service error ngayon on both teams. We are now at 26 all. A chance ball is given to Team Mapandan. Soriano gets a point that puts her team to set point. 27-26 is our official tally. Player number 3 serves the ball. And that's an ace! First set belongs to Mapandan. That's 28-26.
You are still watching Governor Ramon V Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. Governor's Cup. Right here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan.
So we are now witnessing the fourth match for this in this Sunday afternoon dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. And we are now on our second set playing between Mapandan and Mangaldan. Later on, we will also witness Season and San Carlos City for our fifth and last match for the women's division. Okay, so doon sa mga kachuchunin lang sa ating live sa ating Facebook, maraming salamat po and welcome to our Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nandito na pa rin tayo na live sa Calasiao Sports Complex. We are witnessing the match between Mapandan and Mangaldan. First set belongs to Mapandan. The score is 28-26. Titingnan natin if there will be a third match. We are back in action here. Nasa second set na tayo ng ating Mapandan and Mangaldan. Good dig on the side of Mangaldan who saved the ball. Kanya bibigay to the captain. Soriano scores a point for the team. First point for the second set belongs to Mapandan. Player number 7 serves the ball and gets an ace. 2-0 to start this second set. There will be an early substitution on the side of Mangaldan. Macolo is in, player number 3, and player number 5 is heading to the bench to take some time. De Vera, player number 5. Player 7 sends that ball straight to the net. So 1-2 is our score. Soriano is dug. Another chance. But that one is successful this time for the captain, Soriano, player number 5 of Mapandan. Parino gives it to the captain, Quinto. Ayaw niya ng set na yon. Another captain on the side of Mapandan is able to score a point. There will be a substitution on the side of Mangaldan. La Guerta is in. Olesco is out. Player 3 of Mapandan still on the service zone. The lefty scores a point. No one was there to get that ball from the lefty of Team Mangaldan. Espinoza, the middle. That one is long for Team Mapandan. Espinosa is still on the service zone for Team Mangaldan. The official score is 3-4. 1 point behind ang Team Mangaldan. The captain receives the ball on the side of Mapandan. And that ball slips on the hands of player number 8. Mapandan is now up by 2. 5 serving 3. On the service zone is player 18 of Team Mapandan. Ocampo is dug. But that one was mishandled by the setter. Masyadong malapit sa net yung first ball na yon. Kaya nahirapan siya. So the score is now 4-5. The captain, Ocampo, will try again, but that was unsuccessful. The captain, Soriano of Mapandan, is now in the service zone. Player number 5, the libero of Mangaldan, takes the first ball, and Ocampo is dug. Player 11 was blocked. Okay, Soriano did not like that. To the middle, and that one is in. Ocampo gets a point. Player 3 will serve for Team Mangaldan, the lefty. A chance ball now for Team Mangaldan. Ocampo gets the ball. Player 8 is Doug. Nipasena gets a point. Two-points ahead ang ating team from Mapandan. 7-5 is our tally. However, that one is straight to the net. There will be a substitution on the side of Mapandan. 14 is out. 4 is in. Kalimlim will now join the action as Lalas will take some rest. Ocampo, player number 10, serves the ball for Team Mangaldan. The setter of Mapandan gives to Nipasena, who gets another point. Laguerta tries, but he is dug. Another chance ball for Team Mangaldan. The libero takes the first ball. The setter goes to the middle. Espinosa, who sends that long. Who quickly apologizes sa kanilang coach. 3 points na ang kalamangan ng Team Mapandan. Player 11 will serve for her team. It's a faulty reception. Another chance ball for Team Mapandan. Anong gagawin ng setter nila? Player, and that one is not over. Okay, somebody touches the net. So player 18 scrapes the net. That's the reason. The point is awarded to Team Mangaldan as La Guerta now on the service zone. Player number 8, who sends that ball straight to the net. A free point is given to Mapandan, who is still up by 3. 10-7 is our official tally. We are now, okay, a chance ball for Team Mangaldan. Binigay. Who scores the point? That's player number 11, the captain, Quinto. Another one for Team Mangaldan, who is now able to tie the score at 10.
For team Mapandan, they are now tied at 10. Number 7, Mangaldan, serving.
Parino, the setter, gives it to the captain. And there was no touch. According to our first referee, Mariano, and one of the linesmen says there was no touch. So the score is awarded to Team Mapandan. So the score is now 11-10. And that ties it. 11 all is our official score.
Now for team.
Player number 14 will now serve for Team Mangaldan. 11-11. The libero. The captain tries to score, and she successfully had one. That one touches the line, according to our lines judge. Player 18 is on the service zone for Team Mapandan, who sends the ball straight to the net. A free point for Team Mangaldan. 12 all is our tally. There's another deadlock for the second set. The captain Quinto is on the service zone for Team Mangaldan. To the middle, captain is Doug. Captain to captain. Player number 3 hesitated to get that third touch. The score is now at 13-12. Lamang ng isa ang Team Mapandan. That's an ace for the captain, Soriano, player number 5. 14-12 is our official score. Napatawag ng timeout ang Team Mangaldan. So tignan natin kung ano ang magiging laro after this time called by Team Mangaldan. But they are down 2. We are back in action for our set 2. Player 5, Soriano, the captain, almost gets an ace. That's a good one. Nipasena is covered. A chance ball for Team Mangaldan. The setter gives it to That's a long one. There will be a substitution on the side of Mangaldan. La Guerta is out as Olesco joins the team. There will be another substitution on the side of Mangaldan. They will be changing setter. 7 is out, Paraino. Carlos is in, player 18. There will be a new setter. Let's see if what's going to be the playmaking she will be doing. And yes, she successfully had a good set for Olesco. Macolo, player number 3, will now serve for Team Mangaldan, who is down by 3. That one goes straight to the net. 17-13 is our official score. Lamang ng 4 ang Team Mapandan and also up by 1 set. Looking to have another win for the team. Olesco will try. And it's a good save for the captain of Mapandan. What about this one? This time, Ocampo successfully tallies a point for the team, Mangaldan. As she goes straight to the service zone for the team. Player number 10, Ocampo. That one is wide for Nipasena, player number 7. There was a rotation error on the side of Team Mangaldan. So, the point will go to Team Mapandan. The score is now 18-14 after that rotation error. Okay, for the information of everybody, nakalimutan po nila na magpalit ng middle kanina because there was a service specialist. That's another reception error on the side of Mangaldan. And as just like that, Team Mapandan is now up by 5. 19 serving 14 is our official tally. As player number 11 is continuously making a damage on the side of Mangaldan. A substitution for the setter on the side of Mangaldan is now served. Okay, 7 is in and 18 is out. Back in action here, player 11 still on the service zone for Team Mapandan, who is really serving so good. Back-to-back points. It's a mini run now for Team Mapandan. 21-14 is our official tally. A pipe attack now. Player 18. Another pipe attack for the captain. Who is Doug? That's player 11 who dogged that ball from the captain of Mangaldan. The setter drops the ball. And player 11 was a few seconds late on that cover from the attack of the setter, Paraino of Mangaldan. Now, Olesco is now on the service zone for Team Mangaldan, whose team is 6 points behind. Nipasena is denied at the net by the captain, Quinto of Mangaldan. Olesco will now serve for the team, player 18. A good serve it is. They're having a mini run as well for the team. Score now is 17-21 at napatawag ng timeout ang Team Mapandan. 4 points pa rin ang kalamangan ng Team Mapandan pero gusto na nila yatang tapusin ito and they call the time. But of course, Mangaldan as well on the other side is having their momentum. So normally on this kind of on timeouts, the team is trying to ice of course, the one on the service zone. Olesco is back at the service zone for Team Mangaldan. We are back in action here. 17 serving 21. That's an ace for Olesco. 18-21 is our official count. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Mapandan and Olesco still on the service zone. A chance ball for Team Mangaldan. Parana goes to the open. The captain, Quinto. The libero plays as a setter and Ipasena will send the ball. Paraina goes to the middle. Espinosa drops it. Another chance for Ipasena. But Olesco was there. A pipe attack. Ipasena. Olesco was there again. The setter goes to the captain, who is dogged by the captain of the other team. Nipasena now gets the point. 22. Serving 18. Apat ulit ang kalamangan ng team Mangaldan, Mapandan. So 4 points behind po ang team Mangaldan. For those people who just tuned in sa ating Facebook Live, maraming salamat and welcome to the action dito, live na live sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. As we are now witnessing a match between Mapandan and Mangaldan. The captain Soriano gets a point dahil merong check doon sa kanyang attack. 2 points. Yun ang kailangan ng Team Mapandan to close this match. 23. Serving 18. It's a faulty reception on the side of Mangaldan. Now, Mapandan is at match point. 24-18 is our official tally. And that ends it. Mapandan gets another win for the team. The final score for the second match is 25-18. Congratulations, winner, Mapandan.
Team captain. Team captain of both teams.
Okay, our player of the game with 8 attacks, 3 service ace, and 1 block for a total of 12 points. Wearing jersey number 7, Christine Ipasena.
Pasok ka na? Forward pa daw.
Coach ng San Carlos.
Masantos, ikabusan, bagang alam kinyayo. Amen. Good afternoon, volleyball fans, and you're still watching the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. And of course, you're still we're here with us, our player of the game from Team Mapandan with their back-to-back wins coming from yesterday. And this time, syempre, naipanalo nila with a straight 2 sets lang. And of course, first of all, congratulations, Christine. And of course, to the head coach of Mapandan for bringing home your win today. And of course, your name, or as one of our player of the game, ano sa tingin mo yung nag-work sa team nyo kung bakit nyo na ipanalo itong game na to?
Ano lang po, teamwork, tapos focus lang po sa laro. Yun.
And of course, since nasabi mo na focus lang sa game, sa tingin nyo, ano yung mga gusto nyo pang i-improve sa mga susunod nyo pang laro?
Ano po, service, tapos receive. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you so much, our player of the game Christine. And at this time sa ating coach naman, na head coach. Congratulations po, coach. And coach, kamusta naman yung performance ng mga bata? Sa tingin niyo po ba lumalabas po yung mga tinitraining niyo sa kanila every training po?
Most of the time po, nakikita din namin yung resulta ng aming trainings. Pero magte-trainings pa at magte-trainings kasi hindi pa po tapos yung laban po namin.
And last question na lang, coach. To your upcoming games po, ano yung gusto nyong i-improve pa or i-prepara para at least magkaroon pa kayo ng mga sunod na panalo?
Siguro sir, yung unity and at the same time yung teamwork po namin kasi as you can see, medyo nawawala po sila sa pinaka-middle na game. So kailangan po namin mas i-improve pa po namin yung unity po namin.
Thank you so much to our head coach and of course our player of the game. But this time, syempre, we will give you this opportunity para pasalamatan and of course, i-shout out ang inyong mga supporters, ang inyong family at of course, ang inyong LGU. Sige, mag-start tayo kay Christine.
Shoutout po kay Mayor Vega, tas kay Vice, sa mga teammates ko, kay Ate Jane, sa family ko po. Yan lang po.
And of course, coach, anyone you want to thank and of course, sa mga supporters ng Team Mapandan.
Of course, maraming salamat po sa aming butihing mayor na si Mayor Carl Christian F. Vega and at the same time yung aming Vice Mayor, the Honorable Anthony Duay Penolyar, and of course, ang aming manager na supportive, si Mr. Memo, and shoutout po sa aking pamilya, Cunanan family, Bautista family, Petrola family, and shoutout po sa mga coaching ko, Madam Beda, Sir Joshua, Madam Cassie, and Sir June, and of course, ang aming very supportive na si Sir Ansel. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat. There you have it, our player of the game, Christine Pasena, together with the head coach of Team Mapandan and of course ating live viewers online. Tumutok lang po kayo sa ating Facebook page dahil sa pagbabalik po natin, we will witness the battle of Team San Carlos City facing the municipality of Season. Kaya naman, this is your courtside reporter, Nash, Austria. Kaya sabay-sabay tayo, basta Pangasinan, ang galing.